Hi everyone, I hope you're well. So we are going to extract data using filters. So you can open this PDF and you can download the member list with no filter. So it will be over here. And I'm just going to open up. Okay, so they say we need to add in filters. And we're going to filter the people with a membership status of full. So in order to have filters, we need to select the header row, and we're going to select all of these data entries beneath the headers. Okay, so we need to filter the people who have a membership status of full, so membership status. So you can either deselect everything and select full, and it will filter only those that have full in there. Or you can go to text filters and you can say it has this value. It needs to be full. And there you can see it is full. Okay, so in this assignment, I know it's not part of the instructions, but we're going to start putting in the evidence for all of our information, all of our things that we're going to do. So this was for instruction number 1. The first one was people with a membership status to full. So we just need to show how did we just do that. So you just take a screenshot of how you just did that. We just crop. Okay, and after you cropped your method, then I also want to see the product. So what happens after you do that? So we say okay. So you just go to the very top and you print screen, and you just give me the first few ones, just so that we can see that you did that successfully. Okay, so your method and how you got there. Okay, so for 2, let's go to the instruction. We want to see people who do not want to be emailed. Okay, so do not want to be emailed. If it's set to false, it means they want to be emailed. So we need to filter this as people who want to be emailed. So you can say true, then it will show us all of these. Or you can go to number filters and you can say equals, and then it should equal true. And then it only shows us the people who are true. Okay, so again, we need to show how we found that. So print screen of the method, and we crop this. Sorry, I misclicked there. That's it. And also the product. So print screen, just the first few ones. Okay, that was for the second one. So for the third one, people who have been a member for 1 year. Okay, so number of years that they've been a member for. So you can either choose there, but you can see there's actually no option over there. So we will just say people who have been a member for 1 year. I'm just going to take a screenshot immediately. And you will see if I press OK now, we won't be able to see any results, because before I put in that filter, you can see that the filters over here doesn't allow us to have someone with 1 year, because there's literally no one here who has been there for 1 year. So this is kind of like a trick question. Oh, it seems like we're at the end of our page as well, so I'm just going to click there and press Control Enter to make a page break. So I just want to, not very good. You can make the cropping better, but it's just quickly to show. And then now if I put in that actual filter, so if I make it equal to 1, you'll see there's nothing. So print screen, that is our product. This is what happens. You don't have to panic if it seems like you broke something. You can just show what it is you have done. It also helps to learn from your mistakes, so I can see what it is you have done. But now we have done nothing wrong. And then 4, we need to show the people who are either full or Patreon members. So you can see they're referring back to the membership status. So we are going to change membership status. So instead of choosing full, we're going to say equals full or Patreon. Okay, so currently nothing is showing. So let's just make sure we can refresh all. Okay, it seems like that also happens. Okay, such is life. So I'm just going to go to custom filter. I'm just going to take a screenshot because we are doing everything right. Okay, that is the order that we had to do this. So doing this. It seems like this is just how it is. I actually thought that if they say we have to change the membership status from this happens sometimes when I try to crop images, not sure why. I put this in, this is our product. Yeah, I thought when we put in the and or the or, then I said or, so it can't be and I spelled patron correctly, right? Patron. I did. I'm not sure. Let's say instead of text filters, let's say it contains what did we say? Patron or contains or what is it, full. Just want to play around now. Let me refresh. Nah, still not. Okay, no, that is how it is. So you can just submit this file in the end. But I do know that if you do want to have that, if you do want it filtered like everything, okay, from the start, okay, so membership status, we can just put it in here as Patreon and full. Email, we only want to see the true ones, and the number of years. Oh, there is just no one who is, that is weird. Let's say false. Okay, so the patrons don't want to be emailed, it seems. Okay, no, it's just how it is. I thought that for a moment I also thought I did something wrong, but we did not. This is how we had to do it. So you can just print this as a PDF. Just make sure to choose PDF, otherwise you waste paper. But you can just submit this, and I will just rename it as, what is the assignment? Extracting data using filters. So I'll just say extracting data using filters. You can just save that, and then you have your file.